Today, I want to show you how to send emails from Python in just a couple minutes. Now, this is so easy. I want to give you a 30-second history lesson about emails. When they first created this protocol, it was so loose and simple that anybody with any computer could send emails from any address. You could send from your computer an email from president@usa.gov. Now, obviously, this created so much spam that email services like Gmail just stopped listening to these emails. They outright delete them or put them in the spam folder. What happened next is that a lot of email delivery service companies started being created. These companies implemented protocols and standards that make sure that if you're sending an email from mydomain.com, you actually own that domain. Now, what that means is today we need an email delivery service. Of course, us being from Pinggram, I'm going to suggest Pinggram to you, but honestly, you can use any third party. And they pretty much all work the same, except that Pinggram has a really good free tier. It's very generous. And also it supports SMS and other types of notifications. The sign up process is super easy. You just press sign up and we're here. You pick send notifications, give your notification a name like password reset. And you pick the channels you want to send this notification over, whether it's email, SMS, and so on. Press continue. And Pinggram is going to give you code samples for all different kinds of languages that you can use. Now we're going to go to Python. There's different flavors of the code samples, but we just have a basic Python code base. You can copy paste this in your AI and it's going to figure it out, but I'm going to do it step by step. First, it's installing the Pinggram library. And here's my very simple code base. And then it's using this code that sends the email. I'm just going to put it here, but of course, in your code base, put this in the right place. What does this code do? It's initializing the Pinggram library with your API key. It's saying that we're going to send the password reset notification to this person. And here's the email content, the subject line, password reset. And oh, look at that. My AI just generates a beautiful HTML. There you go. It could be plain text like this, or it could be some beautiful HTML generated with your AI. And that's pretty much it. We're going to send. And it's done. I'm going to show you the result. Here we are. That's the HTML email generated by my AI very quickly sent through Pinggram. Now it's going to say that it's coming from Pinggram.io. If you want it to come from your own domain, you simply go to the Pinggram dashboard, go to setup, and go through domain verification process. Now, here's the coolest part. Go to this logs section, and we have this email we just sent. It's recorded here. You can see the preview. If you're sending emails to your users, you want to make sure they look beautiful. You see it here. You can see that it's been sent, delivered, and opened. That's essentially it. It's so easy. That's Pinggram for you. Thank you for listening.